beloved, cute Shiba Inu coin is down 24% for the week, and it is down 3.4% for today. Currently trading at 2193 level here. Um, yeah, it was a very bloody week, and we can everybody's gonna just blame Iran and Israel for this one. But we were doing all right during the beginning of last week here. We were just trying to get ourselves back on our feet here. And then we got kicked in the nuts on Saturday, April 13th. And we got down, I remember seeing it on Coinbase being about as low as 1,800 for Shiba Inu. Currently, we're trading at 2193. I'll do a deep dive into the charts for Shiba Inu. So we can have an idea as like, could this thing go any lower than what it has already? And what are the levels we need to get back at to get ourselves on solid footing here? But yeah, I'm going to show you guys here the Shinu chart on TradingView. This is what I have for the chart here, guys, with Shiba Inu. We were trying to get on solid footing here. We needed to stay above 2,400, okay, on the level, because those were some lows that we made back in March. And we were doing that for the most part last week, Monday, April 8th. We were trading at about 2,800 level, okay, 2,800 level, and then Friday was the beginning of the bad news with Iran and Israel, and we dropped down and we closed that at like 2,400. So we were still defending that 2,400 level as best as we could. And then Saturday was the actual missiles flying from Iran going into Israel, and that dropped us down to about as low as 1,837 here on Coinbase exchange. And then we ended up closing out the day at 2,100 level. Okay, so currently right now, we have to defend those lower levels here. We cannot be going any lower than what we are at right now. We're currently trading 2,200 on Shiba Inu on this Monday, April 15th, 2024. We can't go any lower than this. Anybody that needs to put a stop loss in, I would put, if you want to keep it tight, I would keep the stop loss here at about 2,100, maybe 2,050 on Shiba Inu. If you want a little bit looser stop loss, the bulls have to defend, the Shiba Inu bulls and longs. We have to defend that 1,800 level here, because if we lose that level there, guys, we could end up dropping down. I'm going to say we're going to drop probably down to where the price was trading at towards the end of February at about 1,000 or 950 level. Okay, so we could see basically a 50% drop in price for Shiba Inu investors and traders if we do not defend 1,800. 1,800 is very important. We also have the this yellow line here, okay, which is the 100-day moving average. That 100-day moving average is starting to trend up and give us a little bit of support here, okay. And currently that 100-day moving average is the 1820 is at 1826 level, okay. We need you can see that a couple of days ago we pretty much almost touched that 100-day moving average, which I think is the reason why we had a support. I think that's where traders and investors were trying to buy. They put their buys in at 1,800, and then we were able to bounce off of that and go up to about like 2,100 this weekend. But we need to defend 2,100, okay? And if we can't defend that for Shiba Inu investors, then 1,800 is going to be the level that we need to defend. Because if we lose that, then it's just going to be a bigger bloodbath, and we're going to end up going down to about 1,000. Okay, and we do not want to see that. We do not want to see that at all. Okay, but if we are able to defend the $1,800 level, okay, I have this this Fibonacci retracement tool here, which is the rainbow colored chart here. And these are the levels we need to get back above, guys. Okay. So for those of you who are just starting your investing journey in cryptocurrency, and you're just getting started with Shiba Inu, and you were lucky enough to buy it at these low prices that we're at right now, I would say, we could see Shiba Inu get up to the 0.236 level, which is at 24.49. Okay. But then, we need to get back up to 2,800, which is what we were currently trading at about a week ago. That is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and that's sitting at 2850. So if we can get back up to 2850, that puts us back on solid ground and solid footing. That also would put us above the 50-day moving average here, which is the green line. And that's showing 2713 as the level. So if we get above 2713, that gives us a little bit more room to breathe, to make us feel better about being invested in Shiba Inu. And if anybody that put a stop loss in at like 1800 because they don't want to lose their money, if we get up to about the 2800 level, you could possibly move that stop loss up to about the 2400 level here, because 2400 was the level that we were previously trying to defend for Shiba Inu. So if I was a Shiba Inu short-term trader, I would be looking to push the price back up above 2800, and then once it gets above 2800, I would move my stop loss at, which I would put it at 1800. I would move that stop loss up to like 2400 if we can get back up to a 2800 level on Shiba Inu. But then, of course, the next levels we would need to get above for Shiba Inu is we would need to get up to the 0.5 retracement of the 3100 level, the 3174 level, and then 3498 level, as we try to climb back up and get above to that previous localized high back in March 5th of 4,500. Okay, if we can get up to 4,500, I think a lot of us could breathe easier. And if we get to 4,500, that's pretty much a double in price right now. You could probably double your money in Shiba Inu if we can just get back to where we were back in March of 2024. But yeah, that's my analysis there about Shiba Inu.